During the invasion of Ukraine, the Russian occupiers destroyed the largest aircraft in the world, the pride of Ukraine, our dream. Dream is the name of the An-225, which was the largest and heaviest aircraft in the history of world aviation. But the FreeGen team recreated the Ukrainian legend in the virtual world. Now everyone can install this plane in augmented reality, anywhere in the world, and view it in detail, take a selfie with it, or use it in their videos. After the victory in the war over Russia, Ukrainians will definitely restore their dream, and for now we can temporarily admire it in the parallel reality of the virtual world. Everyone can access the use of the Dream virtual plane with the FreeGen 3D Selfie Park, as part of the Touch Ukraine virtual tour, and with FreeGen Games website or Instagram page. All links in the description of this video. Send us your ideas, which symbols of Ukraine can be transferred to the virtual world, and which legendary sculptures or monuments to revive. Let's win together. Glory to Ukraine!